Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Guide Hub. Today I'll be showing you how to delete Line app account. It only takes few minutes and has very easy steps. Now let's get to the video. First of all, open Line app on your phone. Here we are on the home page. Now tap on the setting icon which is located on the top right corner. Then tap on account which is under personal info. Now scroll down. You can see delete account on the end of the page. Tap on it. Tap on next. Now you need to understand that once the account is deleted, it can't be recovered. With that, tap on the statements to agree with deleting your account. Tap on delete account tab. Tap on delete. Here you can see we have successfully deleted our Line app account. You can log in or sign up again by using your email address. And that's it for today. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more.